Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Hello. It's Erica of Roxiebstylin. Let me make sure am I on Roxiebstylin? I hope that I am. I just want to come and, just see how everyone is doing. And as you can see, I'm standing in front of my closet, my small closet. My closet that's usually organized is usually very organized, but let me just wait for a couple of people to get on, right? Let me just do that. That's what everybody else do. They wait till about 6 people are here, then they start talking. So I'll do that. And if they're not, it's fine. I'll repost this and keep it moving. Whew, I got some wine though. In a nice big glass. I always have some wine. That's tip 1. When you're organizing your closet, have some wine. Have a little music on too. There will be a part 2 to this, so I will definitely cue up the music when the next time I'm on. But yeah, today what did I do? I didn't do much. I have my niece here. Oh, there's 2 people. Comment. Who are you? What's your name? Because all I see is 2 people watching, and I can't see who you are. I want to say hi. Can I see who you are? I don't see who you are. But anyways, hi. So today I just had my niece with me and my daughter. They're both 4. And doing what 4-year-olds do. Fuss and fight and say this is mine, and took them to the playground. The playground was closed. They was on it anyway. There was nobody there. But I said, listen, y'all need to run this energy out. So we did it in hand sanitizer, washed our hands when I got home, and kept it moving. But let me go ahead and get started. So thank you so much for joining. So today I want to come in here and talk to you all really about closet organization. This is my closet. Like I said, my closet is usually clean and organized 97% of the time. As you can see, I downsized. My daughter, I gave her the walk-in closet. So I have this smaller closet in my room, which is fine. And because of that, I had to reduce my clothes tremendously. And I have no problem with that. Even when I had a lot of clothes, it was organized. But now that I have a smaller amount of clothes, I still try to keep it as organized as I can. And for good reason, because my closet is much smaller. But I do like what I have because it's a wardrobe capsule. Hi, Jennifer. Oh, Jennifer's a new mommy. How's the baby? Oh, it's been so long. So happy for you. Hope everything's going well. So Jennifer, I'm just talking to you all about closet organization and the importance of it, right? So, and hey, like I said, usually my closet is organized, but just ripping and running just looks like this. And I know a lot of people say, girl, this looks good, because I've seen some messed up closets. But for me, I like mine organized all the time. So this is making me itch. It's making me itch all up in here. So it needs to be organized. I'm not going to go through every single thing that I do when it comes to organizing my closet, but I do want to share with you all the importance of it, because some people don't understand. They're like, the clothes are in there, they're hung up, they're clean, let me just grab and go. There's a little bit more to that. When your closet is cluttered and stuff is all over the place, it can drive you crazy. It drives me crazy. It makes getting dressed in the morning or at night much harder when it's not organized. It's not. This isn't efficient to me at all. You know, what I like to do is have mine organized by colors. I like the tops up here, the pants up here. Sometimes what I do is I have clothes already. I usually have a hook right here. Y'all can't see it, but a hook up here with the clothes for at least 2 or 3 days. I don't do all 5 days, but at least 2 or 3 days of the items, of the outfits that I'm going to wear for the week. I do the same thing with my daughter. A lot of us as moms, we do we give the best to our children. We organize and we give them homemade foods, and we make sure their lunches are organic and their food is great, but we eat McDonald's and, you know, wear fashion. Let me shut up. Because Fashion Nova is all right, but you get where I was going with that. You know, we just don't give our best. We give our best to our children. We give our best to our husbands, to our spouses, partners. But to us, we just, as long as it's clean and it's from Forever 21, 5 years ago, I can still fit it kind of. I'm just going to keep it moving. But I want more for you all. You should want more for yourself. And the first step to getting more to yourself is to have a clean closet, okay? To be able to come in here and enjoy what you have. And if you do not enjoy what you have, you need to get rid of it, okay? You need to stop holding on to things that don't fit, that don't serve you anymore, that does not represent your brand, your lifestyle, or where you're going. If you have stuff from college years, you're not in college years, you're trying to become a boss, and your clothes need to reflect you trying to be a boss. Or you want to be more of a creative, you know, or you're going to be an entrepreneur. Your clothes need to reflect that, okay? But I'm going to the left. I need to stay where I am when it comes to closet organization, okay? Like I said, it's very important. The number one reason I think it's important is because it's efficient. I think you need to have a closet that is clean and organized to become efficient, okay? To go in, get what you love, and keep it moving, okay? That's one less thing you have to worry about. Also, you just want to have clothes in here. Sorry, you guys, have clothes in. You don't want to be overwhelmed. You want to be able to recreate. That's another reason why I love what I have here. What I have here is what you would call a wardrobe capsule. I'm not sure if a lot of you know what that term means, but it's basically mean doing more with less. I haven't counted, but I'm going to count. That's what I'm going to do, and tell you how many tops I have, how many bottoms I have. And with wardrobe capsule, you can come up with 100 different ways of wearing those clothes. Okay, it's amazing how you can just recreate clothes with, let's say, 2 tops, 3 bottoms, and a third layer. You always have a third layer. That's like 12 outfits right there. And then you add in another one, and then you just keep going and you keep going. You don't need a whole lot of clothes to look good, to look stylish. You just need those. That's why quality over quantity always, always, always win. Having that third layer, that you'll be great. So having an organized closet is the best thing since sliced bread. It reduces excess spending. If you see this, here we go. If you see everything that you have, even if you have a much bigger closet than I do, if you have a walk-in closet, I don't know, give me somebody, Michelle Obama size closet, you still need to be able to see everything. And then if you have my closet, there's no excuse why I can't see everything. But there are some people whose closets are smaller than mine, and it's packed like sardines that they cannot see everything. So what they're doing is they're going out and they're buying clothes. Oh, I need a black top. Honey, you got 8. You know, just make sure they fit and keep it moving while you're going on buying new black tops. Or I need like a red sweater for Valentine's Day. But your clothes are so packed and unorganized that you don't realize that you have red sweaters already. So stop saying you don't have nothing to wear. You probably do. You just need to organize it, recreate it. Get you some wine, have a friend come over. What'd you say, Jennifer? 8? What's the number 8? What's 8? Have you some wine. Just try to get into your zone and just say, hey, I'm going to fix this problem. I want to be able to take the clothes that I have, recreate, reinvent, remix. Oh, I got 8 tips? Really? Oh, I had no idea. Did you take notes for me? Because I didn't know I had 8 tips. I'm just talking. But thank you. But take what you don't have tops. You don't You think you don't have a black top, but you have it. Oh, and be the truth. I have, like I said, mine are usually color coordinated, but it's a mess right now. But I do like to, I have 3 right here, but I know I have more. There's probably some, yeah, here's 2 down here. So if all my 8 tops were together, then I would know that I wouldn't need any more 8. I wouldn't need 8 tops. I mean, another top. You get what I'm saying? So here's the thing. Organize your closet. Declutter your brain, especially now that we're at home with the corona. There's really not a lot we can do. We don't want to drive ourselves crazy. So being productive should definitely be our number 1 priority. Reading those books, manifesting quiet time, getting the children together, cleaning those gutters, I don't know, cleaning that weird stain that's been on your wall for 6 months, whatever you need to do. Self-care, put some cucumbers on your eyes. Did you see my daughter's live? My baby knows about the cucumbers. It reduces puffiness. So you can also add this to your routine by organizing your closet. Get 3 big bags, okay? 3 garbage bags, and what you have not worn, and I would say 2-3 years, I would say just get rid of it. Yes to self-care and cucumber eyes, for real. Nara knows all about that. She does. Get 3 bags. You will have I'm gonna say 2 bags, because what you're gonna keep, you're gonna stay in there. I would say to give away or to throw away. So 2 bags, right? What you have not worn, and I would say 3 years, and what you know for sure does not fit, what you do know for sure does not reflect where you are or where you're going, get rid of it. And what I mean is give it away. Donate it to the Goodwill. Drop it off at one of those bins at the Safeway. I don't care. Don't hold, I'm going to give it to my sister. No, just get rid of it, okay? Put it in your trunk. I don't know. Just get it out of your closet. And then the second bag, things that are torn, worn, you got those yellow stains on your white shirts, snags. I would say that's your bag to throw away items, okay? To organize your closet, I would say my tip is I go through each item and I just assess it and what I want to keep. I like to color coordinate. Some people like to do it by season. Some people like to, the items that they are going to wear the most. So if 80% of your life is at work, then depending on how your closet is organized or shaped, those items need to be right there in the middle. Don't look at nothing else. Go right there. Have it as organized as you best can. If you want to prep, style prep, wardrobe prep, we meal prep. Let's prep our clothes the night before and have your clothes already set out. And so that night before, you can try it on, look in the mirror, take a picture if you want. It just make sure that it looks good. Don't wait until, I have a special presentation. Let's try to be intentional every day about how we look, and don't wait for a special occasion or if someone has invited you to brunch. Let's try to be intentional every day, okay? Even when we're walking up the street, because you never know who you're gonna meet or who you're going to impress. But if you're not dressed to impress, you may be missing opportunities. You get what I'm saying? So always be intentional about that. But first, let's work on the closet. It always starts here with, it starts here. It starts here with I'm gonna get this together. I have time. I'm tired of looking at it. It's painful. It's driving me insane. It's getting on my husband's nerves. If you guys share a closet, I did a closet with a couple, and their closet really was a little bit wider than mine, but her husband was so organized. With men, I know it's easy because he just takes his shirts to the cleaners because it had those wire hangers. I heard wire hangers. We don't do a wire hanger, y'all. I'll talk about that another day. But you can see I have a mix. I'm about to get rid of these plastic ones, and I'm going to get all the black velvet ones. When I do your closet, I always gift you a bag of the nice black velvet hangers because they are the best. But going back to my client, her and her husband, they shared a closet. He was so organized. I mean, that's usually yin and yang, you know, with relationships. One person's this way, one person's the opposite. They attract, they doing it well, whatever. But it was so organized. And because basically he just take his stuff to the cleaners, which men do. And everything was, like I said, on those wire hangers. But it was like, I can't believe, thank you, felt hangers. I can't believe that your husband is so organized and you're just not. But hey, whatever, he still loves you. So I just had to work on her side. It was just and he was just like, I refuse to help you with your side. That's your problem. That's your issues. I don't know if it was, I think there was tension there, but not, you know, nothing too crazy. But still, it can be very annoying to your mate that your side of the closet is so messy, you know, and that might cause a lot of fights and arguments. So I say, sis, let's work on organizing that closet, because to save some arguments in the house, it's just not worth it. Okay, so I think that's all that I have. Anybody have any questions? Anybody have any comments? Anybody drinking on anything? Any recommendations? Let me see. Aw, thanks, Jen. Yeah, one to give away, one to throw away. Hey, Lisa. Okay, I think that's all I have. This was really fun. Cheers to the Corona Closet. I'm gonna name this video that, Jen. The Corona Closet Get Together. Yeah. And we all drink Coronas. Damn, I'm gonna go to the store and we can all drink Coronas while cleaning up our closets. Okay, so maybe that's what I'll do. Then I'll actually like clean and organize my closet, and really maybe I'll do that. Maybe. We'll see. But I just want to just put it out there. I hope this supported you all. If you have any questions, inbox me. If you're interested in a strategy session while I actually come in, while I talk to you, consult, and perhaps we can work together and I can actually organize your closet for you, let me know. Any of your other personal styling needs, I can also help you with that. This was fun, and I think I'm gonna go now, but I'll be back, okay? Thank y'all so much. Have a wonderful evening. Stay blessed. Bye.